Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first session in the Salesforce AI Agents tutorial. Today, we will explore something truly exciting, Agentforce. Have you ever wished you had a smart assistant that could handle tedious, repetitive tasks for you? Something that could respond to customers instantly, assist your sales teams with recommendations, or even automate workflows? Well, that's exactly what Agentforce does. In this session, we'll break it all down, what it is, why it's powerful, and how you can start using it today. By the end of this session, you will understand what Agentforce is and how AI agents work in Salesforce. Learn key AI concepts like LLMs, generative AI, prompts, and the instant trust layer. Explore real world business use cases and get hands on experience by setting up the Agentforce playground and using the AI Agent Builder. So let's get a start and see how AI agents can help you. Let's start with a simple thought. Imagine when you were younger. What if you had an assistant to handle your task? Wouldn't it have been amazing to have a cool robot assistant that could clean your room, do your homework, and let you play Xbox or go out with friends? Sounds like a dream, right? But fast forward to today, and that same problem exists in the workplace. We still wish we had something to help with repetitive, time consuming tasks so we could focus on more important work. This is where Agentforce comes in. It's an AI powered assistant inside Salesforce that helps automate workflows, handle customer interactions, and free up time for your team. Think of it as your digital teammate, working alongside you to respond to customers, handle routine inquiries, and automate processes so you can focus on business growth instead of manual work. Alright, now let's define Agentforce in simple terms. Exactly is it? Agentforce is an AI powered digital teammate inside Salesforce. It's designed to understand, respond, and take action automatically. It works across multiple Salesforce clouds like Sales, Service, Marketing, Experience Cloud. One of the key capabilities of Agentforce is automates tasks, understands and responds instantly, works across Salesforce apps, and handles repetitive work. For example, imagine a customer, David, and David reached out to CRS Info Solutions and asked, "Hey, can you help me reset my password?" Normally, an AI or an agent, would have to manually respond or search for instructions. But with Agentforce, AI can instantly reply, "Of course, David. Click here to reset your password or type help if you need further assistance." And problem solved in seconds without any human effort. This is how Agentforce transforms customer experience and business productivity. Okay, so we know what Agentforce is, but why is AI so important in Salesforce? AI is so important because it automates repetitive tasks, no more manual responses or follow ups, improves response time, AI can assist customer instantly, scales across teams, sales, support, and marketing all benefit from AI, and enhance decisions making. AI can suggest next best actions for sales teams. For example, let's say John, it's a sales representative at CRS Info Solutions, and he's working on closing a deal. Agentforce can suggest the next best actions by analyzing customer data. For example, Agentforce can tell John that his prospect, Diana, has been engaging with our pricing page for 10 minutes. This might be the right time to send a special offer. This AI driven insight can help sales teams close deals faster and smarter. So now, before starting deeper about AI agents, we are going to learn the core AI concepts. And we will start with generative AI, the engine behind AI agents. Generative AI, it's an AI that creates content like text, email, summary, images, and this generative AI learns from large datasets and generates human-like responses. For example, ever seen AI tools that generate email responses? That's generative AI. In Salesforce, we can see the generative AI while we create personalized email replies, suggest answers for customer support, or summarize long conversations into quick notes. Generative AI makes AI agents smarter, faster, and more helpful. Next, we have large language models, or LLM. This is what makes AI understand language and respond intelligently. LLMs are AI models trained on massive text data. They predict and generate text, making AI sound more natural. For example, ever use a chatbot that felt like you were chatting with a real person? That's because it's powered by an LLM, like ChatGPT. LLM help AI agents to understand customer questions better, generate more accurate responses, and assist in multiple languages. Without LLM, AI wouldn't feel human in its conversations. Now let's talk about one of the most important concepts in AI prompts. A prompt is simple, a set of instructions that tells AI what to do. Think of it as giving directions to a smart assistant. The clearer the instructions, the better the AI's response. To understand how prompts work, imagine this. You're the head chef at a busy bakery. You have a super smart assistant who can bake any cake instantly, but they need clear instructions from you. If you just say, make a cake, they will know which type, but if you say, make a chocolate cake for a birthday with extra frosting, your assistant will create exactly what you want. AI works the same way. Prompts guide it to generate the best responses. Prompts help AI generate high quality responses. They act as guidelines for AI agents to understand user requests. A well-structured prompt improves accuracy and relevance. But how Salesforce ensures